Hi there. Thanks for joining me. In today's video, I want to ask you a question. Now, we all know that success is a recipe, and some people seem to have it just right. How is it that some people find success pretty easily, over and over again, while others struggle for years, sometimes for a whole lifetime? So, in this recipe for success, obviously there'll be a lot of ingredients. There could be talent, attitude, hard work, luck. What do you think is the most important ingredient in this recipe? Now, I asked this question on one of my social media platforms a while ago, and I got a lot of responses. Based on those responses, I've come up with what I think is the single most important ingredient for success. And that is grit. Now, the word grit has two meanings in the English dictionary. The first one, grit is the rating of how abrasive a product is. For example, if you consider sandpaper, its grit determines how fine or how coarse the particles are. The other meaning of grit is strength of character. And that's the grit that we are interested in when it comes to the recipe for success. But I have grit as an acronym. So rather than just thinking of grit as the toughness of character, let's look at grit as an acronym and see what GRIT could stand for. G for guts. Courage. It takes a lot of courage to walk down the path that you've chosen. There might be a lot of objections. There might be a lot of people trying to say you're doing the wrong thing, different opinions, or lots of challenges, lots of difficulty along the way. It takes guts to walk down that path. So G for guts. R. R is for resilience. How you handle failure is incredibly important in your ability to achieve success. Resilience, the ability to bounce back, get back up when you've fallen down, not once, not twice, but again and again. That will define the direction, the journey, the success. So R for resilience. I is for intention. Anybody who's successful needs to have complete clarity on what they're doing, how they're doing it, and most importantly, why they're doing it. The why is like the anchor for your actions. Every time things get tough, you've got to go back to your why. Why are you doing this? And that's what will tell you whether to continue on or not. And T for tenacity, stubbornness, not giving up. I've got a little Maltese dog, and generally he's soft-natured, docile, very friendly, never really aggressive, except when he's got his favorite bone treat. So there's a particular treat that once he's got that in his mouth, he just turns into a different beast. And the transformation is radical just for that one treat. So he's pretty much tenacity personified. He just won't let go of it, no matter what. And that's how tenacious, successful people are. Once they sink their teeth into something, they just don't let go. So that's my acronym for grit. And I believe, based on whatever I've been reading, whatever I've learned, and whatever other people have been saying, I believe grit is the single most important ingredient in the recipe for success. What do you think about this? I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Take care, and remember, if you found it useful, somebody else might, and you might know that somebody else. So please do not hesitate to share this video. All the best.